Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another unboxing. I have a Look Fantastic box for you today, so stay tuned. So happy you're here. I think Zena is hiding from us right now, so she's giving me her back, the back of her head, and now Wyatt's doing the same, huh? Nobody wants to say hi today? Want to say hi? They're so exhausted. All right. Let's talk Look Fantastic. So Look Fantastic is Europe's #1 online beauty retailer, and they have a subscription box called the Look Fantastic Beauty Box, which I'm going to share with you today. This is February's box. This is such a fun box. You usually get a mix of full and sample size items. $19 a month if you pay by month. If you buy 12 months at a time, drops that price down to $16 a month. And of course, I have a coupon for you, or at least my link down below will give you a great discount. So let's dig right in. There's usually a $60 or more value to each of the boxes, and there's always filled with so many goodies. I love this subscription. All right, so first of all, when I open this up, here's what I see. They always give you an awesome booklet with all kinds of information. And their boxes are always great quality. They come inside a external box, looks like this. And these boxes would be awesome for storage if you needed it. And I like right inside the box, it says, "You are loved, you are worthy, you are magical. #LF Beauty Box." All right. So the February theme is the Treasure Edition. And this is filled with more than $60 worth of product, and there are 6 confidence-enhancing products in here for us. Let's see. So right inside here, there's all kinds of information. There's information on what's in the box. There's facts about some of the products. There's behind the theme, and they'll talk about that, as well as they even have in here our top 10 books to help you feel inspired, and then a sneak peek into next month. We're going to focus on what's in my box. Okay. And it actually comes all sealed shut. So once I open it up, here is what I see. So first up is Magnetone London Wipeout Swipes. Here's what it looks like. It removes makeup with just water. So these are 2 microfiber cleansing pads that remove even the toughest of makeup with just warm water. Super soft and ideal for sensitive skin, as no cleaner is needed. Simply throw it into the washing machine after use, and you can reuse thousands of times, they're saying. That means no more disposable makeup remover wipes going into a landfill. I like how they're thinking about the planet. Here's what it looks like. And as they said, there are 2 of them in here, so I have a gray one too. They are so soft. They feel amazing. Awesome, I like that. And you use a circular motion to gently wipe away your makeup. Perfect. All you do is wet it. You soak the pad in warm water, squeeze out any excess, and wipe over the face, eyes, and lips. Double side to remove all your makeup in one go. Can't wait to try that out. All right, next I have, it says Bubble Tea Strawberry Macaroon. You see that? And this is a hand and body butter. Soothe and nourish with this uplifting hand and body butter. This is a thick, hydrating moisturizer for your body with a delectable strawberry scent. Treat, soothe, and refresh dry skin. It's cruelty-free and paraben-free. Strawberry extract and essential oils. This will be fun to try. See if it's... There's a little sealed. I want to smell it. Oh, okay. It smells... it smells amazing. It smells absolutely heavenly. Okay. I can't wait to try that. Next up, what do we have? This is Papaya Enzyme Peel, Advanced Skincare. This is a natural exfoliating facial cream. Yeah, with 7 active ingredients to repair, protect, and clarify your skin, ideal for all complexions. It gets rid of dead skin cells without harsh abrasion. So it has papaya, pineapple, algae, seaweed extract, milk protein, sunflower oil, and vitamin E. All right, that sounds like fun to use. And then it looks like I also have a Balance Me Aha Glow Mask. This looks like a sample size. And this says a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify, and plump your complexion. It's blend of AHAs, I guess, encourages the shedding of any dry or dull skin to reveal a natural, youthful, and luminous glow beneath. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin. A triple action chemical exfoliating mask. Yeah, you just smooth over the face and leave for up to 15 minutes and then remove with warm water, and it is vegan. And the packaging is made with recycled products. Okay, awesome. Next, I have lid gloss, cream eyeshadow lid gloss. This is a liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup to the next level. Mess-free and quick to apply with a glitter finish, which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. All right, this is obviously a sample size. Let's see what this looks like, because now I'm curious. And I have the color Zodiac. It looks like you could have got 2 different choices here. You could have got the, it looks like a gray, or this Zodiac, which is what I have. The gray is called Stardust. Oh wow, wait till you see this. It's coming out, it's coming out. It's like oozing out. Gotta get the lid on. Okay, so here you can see it on the tip of my finger there, and here's what it looks like on my hand, but it looks like you can make it a little bit more concentrated, as the color was kind of like oozing out here. I hurried and put the lid on. I'll get a little bit more. It's almost like a rose gold color, but it's not too bad. See, I added more, and it's not too concentrated. I really like it in that rose gold color. So the glitter isn't, I was thinking glitter would be like crazy glittery. This is not like that. It's already dry on my hand, so it's already dry, and it's like a little bit of a shine with a sparkle, but not like glitter that would fall off of your face. I always hate that. All right, and what does it say about this one? A liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level, mess-free and quick to apply with a glitter finish, which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. You just swipe the color across the lid using the applicator. So the full size must have an applicator. Build up where necessary and blend using either your finger or an eyeshadow brush. Okay. And I have one more item in here. Ilamask. Here's the name. You guys can help me if you know how to pronounce that better than I do. This is combining 2 of Ilamask's hero products, the Hydra Veil Primer and Beyond Powder. This face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. Apply under makeup to help it last all day, while also providing a luminous natural glow. And here's what it looks like. So it is a nice little creamy primer. And that is all of my pieces. That's all 6, all of my items. That's 6 items. Here's what it looks like the Stardust eyeshadow looked like. Very silvery. So it looks like rose gold and silver were the 2 choices, and here they have it shown here more concentrated in the rose gold color. All right, that is everything. What did you guys think? I don't think that's bad. For the price point, I really like it. I love trying these products. They have fast facts in here about moringa that tells you all about how it's been used in herbal medicine and how it has benefits for your skin. So that's in this book as well. Maskne, isn't that like a true thing? Start getting acne from wearing the masks. They say we've got you covered and have some suggestions on how to deal with that. And behind the theme treasure, they talk about how they come up with that theme. 10 books to help you feel inspired. So they have Rachel Hollis, Girl Wash Your Face, to help you just go for it. I love that. Cheryl Strayed, Wild from Lost to Found on the Pacific Crest Trail, to help you overcome hardships. Sarah Knight, You Do You, to help you be unapologetically you. Can't talk today. Gretchen Rubin, The Happiness Project, to help you overhaul your behaviors. Oh, I'm liking these books. Michelle Obama, Becoming, to help inspire you to defy expectations. Shonda Rhimes, Year of Yes, to help you say yes to things you usually wouldn't. Jen Sincero, You Are a Badass, How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life, to help you create a life you're completely in love with. That one sounds interesting. A Year of Positive Thinking by Cindy Spiegel, to help you change your life simply by changing your thoughts. Marie Kondo, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, to help you declutter your life. And Eliza Licht, Leave Your Mark, to help kickstart your career with a bang. Love that. I'll list all these down below for you. Awesome. And then they're talking about what's coming next. Yeah, for next month. There's going to be a limited edition Mother's Day collection. There was a limited edition Valentine's Day collection, and I understand there's going to be a hero edition worth $150, valued at $150, and the cost will be $40. That goes on sale March 1st. So if you are a subscriber, be sure to check that out and get on the wait list, because it looks like it's going to go fast. So lots of new special boxes coming up very soon also. Well, this was fun. I love LookFantastic. I will put my link down below, because if you use my link, you can get your first box for $1 when you buy for 12 months at a time. That also takes your per month cost down to $16 a month then for the next 11 months. So your first box would only be $1. All right, guys, thanks so much for spending time with me today. This was so much fun. Always love opening a LookFantastic box. I think this is a great, affordable beauty box, so I always have fun with it. Would love it if you would hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please hit that like button. Tell me what you thought of the box and comment down below. Until next time, everybody. Bye-bye.